Imagine waking up to a new day, only to find everything you have worked so hard for burnt to the ground. Watch everything you built destroyed. The month of October 2020 took a historic turn, one that affected us in many ways. Because of this, many Nigerian businesses had to rebuild what took them blood, sweat, tears, and years. We could not bear to sit back and do nothing. So we introduced Rebuilding Together to help who is most important to us, you. We received a total of 2,936 applications for Let Us Rebuild Together. 400 applications were selected randomly and asked to provide proof of damage to their businesses and other supporting documents. 11 businesses have been awarded a grant of 1.5 million naira each. We may have gone through tough times, but together we will rise because it can be.